Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, nandito po tayo ulit sa aming stockyard. At ipapakita ko po sa inyo ang aming unit na for release na si Montero GLS Automatic Transmission. Si client po ay na-approve ni BDO, 20% approval, 69,000 all-in down payment. So ang client po natin is from Tarlac. So nandyan na po si client. Samahan niyo ako guys sa releasing. Let's go! Ayan guys, ibababa na natin ang unit ni Ma'am Yana. So, for releasing siya today, ayan si Kuya Lionel. Ang poging-poging si Kuya Lionel. So, i-ready na natin siya sa releasing area. Ayan po, chine-check na po ni client yung kanilang unit. By the way guys, sila po ay anak ng OFW. So, today po ay birthday ni Ma'am Yana. Happy birthday, Ma'am Yana! So, may pa-surprise po si mommy and daddy niya from US. So, yung Montero Sport po is gift sa kanya. So, now guys, ayan, ini-install na yung promise natin ng mga freebies kay client. At yung mga request na freebies ni client, syempre.
I would like to thank Miss Ting, our agent. She has given us with a lot of freebies for our brand new Montero Sport GLS. She has provided us with all of our requests such as the Odem blend, the mags, the what else? The thunder flares, everything. So we really appreciate all your efforts, Miss Tin, since the beginning. She also provided us with a very low down payment. So thank you so much. Not just that, for also assisting my parents with not just the transaction itself, pero sa pag-handle ng birthday celebration or birthday surprise para sa aming magkapatid. So, thank you so much, Miss Tin. God bless.